We would like to present our thoughts around fly tipping, its impact, and how AI could help tackle the issue. We are Year 9 students from the UK, and we are proud winners of the Imagine Cup Junior Challenge 2022. Through lots of research, we realized that fly tipping is not only impacting the environment around us, rather it's a heavy cost to the government and institutions. We are curious to solve the issue and look forwards for innovative ideas to solve the problem. Fly tipping is the illegal disposal of household, industrial, commercial, or other waste. We found some stats during our research, and these numbers are scary. Evidently, more than 1/10 of the carbon footprint is caused by this issue. There is a lot of action carried out, but evidently it is not enough to stop it. Rather, there was a 16% rise in cases reported when compared with previous years. The target from the government is to minimize waste treatment costs, and we remain curious to support the cause through the use of AI technology. Impacts from fly tipping are not just economically heavy, but also a hazard to wildlife. Disease transmission poses a serious health hazard along with potential contamination to the groundwater with toxic chemicals. Also, it could cost more than 58 million a year to clean up the waste.
Let me explain you the solution. Our solution has two parts. The first part is an AI-powered app. Using the power of machine learning and open source platforms, we have developed an AI-powered app which allows the user to capture an image of the waste using an inbuilt camera. The ML model processes the images, identifies the type of waste materials lying on the site. The second part is the ML-powered low-cost camera, developed using Raspberry Pi, which uses object detection model in Python to detect more than 80 different types of waste objects. Our solution shares the waste information, i.e. the location, image, etc., to the respective council, which they could use to plan for treatment in a proactive manner. We believe our solution will help to clean the community proactively, help councils to manage the waste efficiently, and reduce the cost by better optimization of resources. Contrary to the solutions from existing councils, our solution is easy to use, uses the power of AI to help councils in a proactive manner, management, and cleanup of the wastes. The developed app not only educates users of the devastating impacts of fly tipping, but also motivates them to reduce fly tipping in their local community through various incentives. Our solution adheres to the 5 basic principles of AI through 1. Having perception where the inbuilt camera scans the waste. 2. Being representative and uses reasoning as the ML model could detect various objects. 3. Involving machine learning as it uses supervised learning. 4. Uses human AI interaction as it offers incentives. 5. Has a societal impact as it allows councils to be proactive and educates the user. Not only that, but our solution also follows the basic ethical AI framework. 1. Remains accountable to the data it uses. 2. Follows inclusivity as it works for all communities. 3. Remains reliable and safe as the ML model is up to date. 4. Is transparent as it uses the open source platforms. 5. Is fair because it is unbiased. And 6. It is private and secure as it doesn't collect any personal data without permission. Now, let's test it out.
We have developed an AI-powered app using open source platforms for Android. As and when the user opens the app, they will see a warning pop up from the app asking to share their current location. For the machine learning, we have used machine learning for kids. Currently, we have defined 3 categories, but we can define more as and when required. The machine learning model is imported into MIT App Inventor, which we have used for app development. And here's the code for all of it. When the user opens this app on their Android phone, they should see their rating and the points that they've earned from previous contributions, which could be traded for incentives from the respective council. Now, I'm going to act as a user and walk down the street. I see an object. I take a picture of it.
This is furniture found at the following location.
As you can see, the AI model running in the background detected what type of waste this was and the location of it, and it also spoke it out. Now, using this button over here, I can share this information to the respective council via an email. Now moving along, I see another object. I take a picture of it.
This is furniture found at the following location.
And the AI model also detected that this was furniture found at this location. The information button over here allows the user to gain some awareness. I'm gonna open my app and take a picture of it. Looks like this is an electrical appliance.
This is clinical waste found at the following location.
Looks like it's clinical waste. We have developed a camera powered by a Raspberry Pi and connected to our monitor. We have also developed an ML model which can detect up to 80 different objects. We've installed it in a remote location. Let's see if someone fly tips. So here we have a car right now, pulling up. He's getting something out. And looks like he's put something. Now let's take a closer... Oh, he dropped a suitcase. Oh, now we have it all. Chair, bottle and suitcase.